fasten your seatbelts. We're gonna learn 3 amazing Cheap Trick songs in under 3 minutes. I'm Steve. Hit like and I'll just shut up. Let's go for it. We'll begin here with Surrender. It's in A flat to B flat, like that. Do that a couple times and then it goes up 1 to the B chord. B major, F sharp major, E major, B. You can do a B here, F sharp major, E major, B, E, F sharp major, sorry, B, does it again, E major, F sharp major, got My Kiss records out, B major, then it goes, Mommy's Alright, B major, G sharp minor, F sharp major, Just Seem a Little, E major, Surrender, B, G sharp minor, F sharp major, E, give it those big strums, that, does it a couple times, then it goes this time to A major to B, and then it starts over again in the B. All right, let's do I Want You to Want Me in A major. A major. I put my finger right there so you can put your 4th fret of the low E string like this. A little walk down and then to an F sharp minor. Remove the thumb to a D major. Get the fingers ready so you can do another walk down to the 4th fret of the A string. A, back to that 4th of the E string. This goes F sharp minor to B major, G major, A major, F sharp minor, B, if you say, G major, That You Love Me, F sharp minor. That's a pretty cool walk up from the 2nd, 3rd, 4th of the E string, and then you go to A. Did not see it, E major, F sharp minor, D major, and back to the A. Then it just does the verse chorus again. All right, for Dream Police, you might need to put this one in slow-mo. I'm gonna go crazy fast. It goes Dream Police, E major, B, A major, E major, B major, A major, E major, B, A, E. All right, ready? Now I'm not even gonna say minor or whatever, it's just bar chords at the F sharp, D flat, D, A, D flat, A flat, and then it goes E, B, like that. One more time, F sharp, D flat, D, A, D flat, A flat, and then again it's E, B. You can do it down there if you want, or do it this way. Because they're E major, they're looking for me. E major, sorry, every single day they're E major, D major, C, play a C major, then hit the 2nd fret of the A string to an A major. And then check this walk up. It's easier than you think. Open A string, 2nd, 3rd, 2nd A of the A string right there, open A, and then go 3rd, 2nd, open of the E string. So there's E minor, D, C, that 2nd fret of the A string, and this time you go to a B. Back to the E major, the Dream Police, B, A, E major. Boom! 3 Cheap Trick songs in 3 minutes. Maybe I went a little over, but don't rage at me in the comments. All right, give me some more suggestions for crazy fast lessons like this, and I'll see you around.